Oh, could we have caught such a big fish in the morning? Look what I found. This devilfish, its size is quite large. The waves are big today. Finding a smelly fish is... The waves were big today. It's common to find a smelly fish. I'm wondering if this is fragrant or not. I'll forget it. Forget roasting, it smells bad. Let's bring it to make bait. You bring the fish cage first. Throwing such a big fish into the pit is really something. Let's cut it and try to fit 2 more cages. We find a better spot and put it there. Near that place, go see. That's close to the area above the road. We place this fish pit there. It will take some time for the fish nets equipment to arrive. Let's go. You both go back first. As the weather is gradually getting colder, the process of making shelter for everyone has now become critical. If we have to stay here for a long time, a strong and warm shelter is necessary. Little Lee, you open it first. I will go and get the tent first. Look quickly! There are 2 big abalones stuck on this. One is so big. It's a pity. Our Dragon Ball drifted away. I'm going. It's still trying to crawl. The small crab. Today's earnings are a bit low, but it's because of the wind and waves. Let's take it back first. Look quickly. What is this thing that has come out? This might be a big fish. I'll go. Pull up this big fish first. Look, it's hanging on the fishing boat. Take it down. Such a big fish. We will take it back and roast it on the fire. Koli! Pancharam. The day of Pancharam. This winged fish is really not small. It's tuna. This winged fish, it looks like tuna. It's a winged fish. You don't have the skill. Don't say anything, roast it first. This fish is really very big. We first cut a small piece and cooked it on a slow flame. And put the rest to dry on the fish board. A coughing sound. As for this fin fish, we will dry it with sea salt to make fish jerky. This way, we won't have to worry about future meals. Yay! Brothers, look! Our fish has turned golden! We taste a piece. Look at this meat. Yes, very delicious. While eating, Monkey, let's eat quickly. This thing will be ready in a bit. And without touching Crescent, help a little with 100,000. Okay?